This week's One Good Thing is a little simple bathroom hack that helps you with your dental hygiene. And it's also a lovely setup for your own bathroom or for your guests. I like to have a decanter or carafe of any shape or size. You don't have to get this one. You can get this one. And then I take my mouthwash. And I do like to cut it with water. It makes it go farther. I take a glass. Oh, not that one. You can use any glass, which you can also then do in a different color. Look. So, give your nice little setup in your bathroom for your guests. You leave them with a little, good. You leave them with a little setup so they can take care of their teeth, and you can take your own to your bathroom.